In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background and export a transparent PNG in Adobe Illustrator CC. First, open your file in Illustrator CC. If you're starting from the home screen, you can click Open and browse to your image or artwork. Once it's on the canvas, give yourself a second to zoom in and look around so you clearly see the subject you want to keep and the background you want to remove. Next, select the object you want to keep using the selection tool. You can press V on your keyboard or click the black arrow in the toolbar. If your artwork is already vector, you'll be able to click the shapes right away. If it's a raster image like a PNG or JPG, no worries, we'll convert it. For raster images, go to the window menu and open the Image Trace panel. Image Trace converts your pixels into clean, editable vector paths. In that panel, click Make to start the trace. Depending on your artwork, you can pick a preset from the dropdown, something like high fidelity photo for detailed images or black and white logo for simple graphics. Give it a moment to process. If the preview looks too rough or too detailed, small adjustments in the panel can help, but the key is to get a solid outline of the subject you want to keep. Once the trace looks good, click Expand in the top toolbar. Expand finalizes the trace and turns it into actual vector shapes you can edit. You'll now see lots of paths and anchor points, which is exactly what we need to remove the background cleanly. Switch to the Direct Selection tool by pressing A, the white arrow. This tool lets you target specific shapes. Click on the background area. You may need to click once to select a group and then click again to target a single shape. If there are multiple background pieces, hold Shift and add them to your selection. Carefully press Delete to remove them. If you remove something by mistake, use Undo and try selecting more precisely. Zooming in helps, and clicking the edge of a shape is often more reliable than clicking its interior. When your subject is isolated and the background is gone, it's time to export. Go to File, then Export, and choose Export As. Pick PNG as the format. In the export options, make sure to check transparent background so your PNG has no white box behind it. Choose the resolution that suits your needs, then click OK and save. That's it. Your artwork now has a clean, transparent background ready for web presentations or any design project.